Social media and mobile internet devices. Social media is a critical part of an online marketing plan for almost any type of business these days. Sites like Twitter and Facebook have millions of users, and if your company doesn't have a presence there, you're missing out on a huge opportunity to connect with your customers, both existing and future. And with the explosive growth of mobile devices like the iPhone and iPad, social media use is growing even faster. The most recent statistics that Facebook has shared state that they have over 800 million active users, over 50% of whom log into the site on any given day. And there are over 350 million active users who access the site through their mobile devices. And it's also been shown that those mobile users tend to be even more active on the site than average. Great, you might be thinking, but how does this affect your business? The bottom line is you need to be interacting with your customers through these sites and doing it in a way that makes it easy for people to find the information they're looking for. People who use mobile devices to search out your business tend to be looking for a small number of things: your phone number, your business address, hours of operation, and so on. It's important that you make this type of information available easily to your customers in a format that makes it easy to find on a mobile device with a smaller screen and a limited keyboard. While having a mobile-optimized website layout is a big part of this equation, it's also important to include this information on your Facebook page, your Twitter profile, and anywhere else that you're connected with your customers. People will look for information in many different ways, so you want to give them as many opportunities as you can. After all, if they can't find what they're looking for when they search for your company, they might just decide it's not worth the effort and seek out one of your competitors instead. Because people can connect with you on social media, that could very well be the place they turn to find the information they're looking for. Make sure that they can find it easily, and you'll be far more likely to get their business when they're ready to buy.